students, good morning. Today we start with standard 3rd, lesson 2nd. So your first lesson already we completed, okay? We have completed only first lesson. Then we start now second lesson. Second lesson part first, okay? Second lesson is number work. Number work. Then take out your textbooks and open page number 5. Okay, then see in your textbook here. Starting there are one table given for you. Okay, then some numbers are here. Okay, then see in the table below, color the boxes of the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, we have to color these boxes. Okay, then see here what instruction are given here. The boxes of the number 11 to 20 green. 1 to 10 numbers we have to color with red color. Okay, and the second one 11 to 20 is green in color. Thus the color all the boxes using different colors. Okay, 1 to 10 boxes we have to color with red color. 11 to 20 green in color, and like it we use the different color from the different numbers. 21 to 30 yellow color. You have to like colors in that series we color these the boxes. Okay, see here 1 to 10 red in color, 11 to 20 green color, then 21 to 30 yellow color. You use any other color here. Okay, 31 to 40 violet color, then 41 to 50 orange color. Like this you color the box up to 100. Okay, see here color these boxes at home. Okay, then see next is number names are given for you. Okay, number names here 2-digit numbers here. Okay, 2-digit number we have to learn in last year. Okay, you remember that. Then see here 26 to 99 numbers in words are given here. You learn these numbers with their spellings. Okay, you learn these numbers with their spellings for your revision. Then see next page. Page number 8. Open page number 8. We have to learn now 3-digit number. 3-digit number. Here up to 2-digit numbers we have to learn in last year. Okay, then we start with 3-digit number. Can you tell me which is the smallest 2-digit number? Which is the smallest 2-digit number? Yes, 10. Here 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. Okay, then tell me greatest 2-digit number. Which is the greatest 2-digit number? Yes, 99. 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. Okay, 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. Then see here, if we add 1 to this 99, see here, add 1 to the 99, then which number you will get? See here 9 and 1 10. 0 plus 1 is carry over. Okay, then 9 and 1 10. Then see here a number we get. Then see here in this number, this is unit place, this is tens place, okay, and we get a new place, okay, that means this 100 place. After tens place, the 100 place is here, okay. Then here 0 is at unit place, second 0 is at tens place, and 1 as 100 place. Here 100. What we read as 100, okay, 100. We also read these numbers 100. 100. A 100 is also called this number, okay. Then see, in your textbook, here 3-digit numbers tables are given here, okay. See here some crayons shown in the picture, okay. Crayon shown in the picture. Then after this 100, tens and unit places, okay. Then here 100, tens and unit places, and after that numbers in figures, okay. Numbers in figures we write, and then after numbers in words. Then see first picture. In the first picture, one box is given here. One box and single one crayon, okay. In the box there are 100 crayons are present, okay. In one box there is 100 crayons are present. Then we have to write this 101. Already here answer are given here. Some answers are given here and some are writing for you, okay. See here first picture 101. In figures you write 101, and in words how this is writing. See here 100, 101. You write like this, okay. 101. Then the next picture, see, one box and two crayons. One box and two crayons. That means at 100 place 1, at tens place 0, and at unit place 2. And you write in words like 100 and 2. 102. Okay, like this you write up to 110. In the last year, in the last picture 101, one box is here, so we write at the 100 place 1, okay, and this 10 crayons present, okay. 10 crayons means 10 means 1 tens, and at the unit place see 0, 110 or 110. 110. You read and write. Read the number first and write in that way. First 100 number and then tens and then unit. Okay, like this. You complete this table at home. Okay. Then see the next. Same way the 3-digit number are showing here with the help of beads. With the help of beads. Like this here. In the first picture, some symbols are given. like this and single beads 4 like this. Okay, see here, these symbols represent a number. Okay, and that number we have to write here. Okay, then see, at first H means 100. Okay, H means 100, T means tens, T means tens, and this single beads means unit places. Okay, see here 2 hundreds are present. Okay, this one and this one, 2 hundreds. Then write 2 at the 100 place. Okay, then see how many tens here. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 tens here. Okay, then write 5 at tens place. And this one unit place. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single beads are here. So we write here 4 at the unit place. Okay. And what is the number? We get 254. 254. Okay. Then see here also showing on abacus here. Here one string given for you like this. Okay. Then this number we have to write here. Okay, using beads. Okay, this unit place, then tens and 100. Then see here, how many hundreds here? 2. So we draw here 2 beads at the 100 place. Okay, 2 beads. And how many tens here? 5. So at the tens place we draw here 5 beads. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. And the last unit place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This figure shows the number 254. Okay. And in words you write like this, 200 and 54. 254 in words. Okay, understood this example? Then see, like this you complete this table. Okay, first only write 100, how many hundreds are here, then tens and units, and after that number in figure, and after number in words. Okay, take one example. Then you easily write these tables. Okay, then see here, second example. Tell me, this symbol indicates which number? See here, first one we see the 100. Okay, how many hundreds here? 1. So write 100. And how many tens after 100? Tens place. Then how many tens here? 1, 2, 3. Then write 3. Okay, and the unit place. Okay, here you need number single digit है क्या यहाँ पे? We have single digit here? No. That's why you write here 0. no single bits is present here, that's why you write at the unit place 0. Okay, then read this number 130. See here, 130. 130. 130. Okay, you complete this table. Okay, then turn the page, page number 10. Page number 10. See here, on the page number 10, first numbers, missing numbers are given here. Okay, you write the missing numbers. See here, some numbers are given here, you write these missing numbers. Okay, read and write. Then after that, making a number. Next point is making a number. Making a number. See here, here we given one triangle, and here is 1, 2, 3 digits. Okay, then using this figure we have to write 3-digit numbers. Okay, you make the 3-digit number from this figure and using these digits. Okay, you use one digit at a one time. Okay, does not repeat the digit in a number. Okay, that's why you use these numbers and make a number. Use these digits and make a number. Okay, then see how to make a number. See here one digit is here 2 digit and 3. Okay, we use this digit and make a number. See, first we write 1. Start from here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This, see here, this number is 3-digit number. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3. Take first 1, after 2, then 3. Okay, then next another number. We start from 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2. 132 is the next number. In first number we take 2 after 1, and in second number we take 3 after 1. Then different numbers are formed. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3 means 123, and then 1, 3, 2, 132. Then see here, 2 is taken at first digit at the hundreds place, then 2 first, then 1 and 3, 213. Okay, next number is 213. After that, see, 231. 231. Take 2 first, then after in tens place 3, and at the unit place 1. 231. Then see, we take 1 at the hundred place 2 times. Okay, then 2 at 2 times, then last 3 we take 3 at the hundred place. 3, 1, 2, 312, and last 321. 321. See, using this 3 digit we have to write 6 numbers. 3 digits, 6 numbers. Okay, understood how to make these numbers by using these digits? Okay, it's very simple. Take these digits at once and write the numbers. Okay, Then see, here some examples are given for you. You solve this example, okay? Then next point is after and before numbers. Before and after numbers. Here you know the after and before numbers. In last year we also writing this before and after numbers up to 2-digit numbers, and now we write up to 3-digit numbers. Okay, 3-digit numbers, after number and before numbers. See, a number we get by adding 1, we get the after number. Okay, if we add 1 in any number, then we get the after number. जब हम किसी नंबर में 1 ऐड करके नंबर जो हमें मिलता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? आफ्टर नंबर्स. ओके, एंड द नंबर वी गेट बाय टेकिंग अवे 1, that number is called before numbers. Taking away 1 means if we minus 1 from any number, then we get the before numbers. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर में से 1 अगर माइनस करके जो नंबर हमें मिलता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? बिफोर नंबर्स. ओके, बिफोर एंड आफ्टर नंबर्स. सी पेज नंबर 11. See the first question. Read the numbers in the number strip below. See here, 3 number strips are given here on your textbook page number 11. Okay. Then first read that strips. Okay. And with the help of these strips, questions are given some here. Then we solve these questions with the help of these strips. Okay. Then see first question. With the help of the number strip above, write the next number. Okay, we have to write the next number. See, first number is given here 105, and we have to write the next number. Okay, then see in the strips 105 is where, and after that 105, which number is present here? See, in the first strip 105 is here. Okay, and then the next number is 106. Then we write here 106. Okay, 106. And 106 is the after number of 105. Then see next number 220. Then write here after number. Okay. See here in the next strip, strip number 2. There is 220 number. Okay. Then after this number, which number here given? 221. 221. Okay. Then like this you solve this question. Okay. Write after numbers. Then see next question. With the help of the number strip above, write the number just before. Just before, okay? Just before means before number. Then see here box for number, then here 400. 400 is given here, okay? You write here before number. See here, see in the last strip, strip number 3, there is 400 in the second box. Then before this 400, which number here? 399. 399 is the before number of 400. Okay. Then next 107. 107. Write the before number of 107. Then see, in the first strip 107 present here, and before number 106. 106. 6. Like this, see the strips and solve this all questions. Okay, complete these questions in your notebooks. And after that, before and after numbers, we have to learn about smaller and bigger sign. Next point is smaller and bigger symbol. Symbol, smaller and bigger. Less than and greater than sign. You know less than and greater than sign. In last year we solved this many examples using this symbol. Okay, less than sign and greater than sign. Then like this you also solve here. Okay, see, first table are given here. Say which number is bigger and which is small. Okay, first you write here which number is small and which number is big. Okay, see, first number, first is 8 and 2. In 8 and 2, see here, 8 and 2. Which number is small and which number is big? It's very simple, you know that. Yes, 2 is small and 8 is big. 2 is small and 8 is big. Okay, then how to write? By using this symbol. See here, 8, 2. Then use this sign. See here, this is less than sign and this greater than sign. 8 is greater than 2. So right here 8 is greater than 2. Okay, 8 is greater than 2. If here 2 is here and 8 is here, then use this symbol. Okay, then we write less than sign because 2 is smaller number and 8 is bigger number. Okay, that's why you write less than sign. 2 is less than 8. Like this you also write for 499 and 500. See here, 499 and 500. In these two numbers, which number is small and which number is big? See here, 499 is small and 500 is big. So we write the sign less than sign because this number is bigger than this number. Okay, 499 is small than 500. Like this you solve these all questions. Okay, here some questions are given here. You write only the symbol, use this symbol and write here. Okay, it's very simple.